guys, it's Caitlin, and today I'm going to show you this. It is thunder. We are trapped inside for the rest of today. We are doing nothing. I thought I would just YouTube it as I am bored. Yeah, so it's thunderstorming. Don't know whether you can hear it or not. I'll open my window. I'll open my window up. Yeah, it's currently tipping down with rain. Yep, that was not my stomach. That was the thunder. That was really bad. Yeah. What is? That's just my thing has in my bedroom. That's all right. Yep, that thing is my phone screen. That's my finger. Hello. It is getting really bad. Really bad at the minute. It's just so bad. Okay, bye guys. Hope you enjoyed this video. Give it a big thumbs up and big thumbs up and subscribe. Bye.